want to get a drink. I'm parched.
You just mind your own business. Come.
Good morning, mister.
Morning. Help a fella out.
Come on.
Come on. Give a fella a nickel. Give me a dime. Give me something.
Can a fella get a little room, please?
You good-for-nothing cheating.
Good morning, mister.
I ain't hearing no more of this. I won that game fair and square.
Shit. Fair and square, my
Move it.
ass.
You hurt me fair
Well,
and
why
square.
don't you let your pistol do the talking?
Fine by me.
Your move. Tell him you saw me.
Good morning.
Damn.
Who else wants some? Huh? Who else?
Damn.
They said machines would make working easier in this century. Have yet to seen that.
Real.
Get the hell out of here. Good choice.
Guess he shouldn't have said yes.
Hello, here for a ticket to the show?
Ticket, please.
We'll be starting soon, just inside the tent there.
Folks, I'm going to tell you a morality tale from when our country was young that the settlers used to tell about the woods of Massachusetts and the creatures that lived there. One summer, a bear was by the stream, and Old Man Wind appeared and said, "Bear, I shall blow a mighty cold upon the land, and gorge yourself on fish and meat, and go find a den. Then sleep, not for one night, but for 60. Go tell all the animals of the forest what I have told you." Moved inside and fell fast asleep. Bear snored and snored for many days. When he woke up, he saw spring had come.
Oh,
He
was the show
very
not to your
hungry,
liking?
So he walked outside. As the snow melted, he saw all his friends who hadn't listened frozen and just ready to be eaten. And that's why the bear hibernates. So listen to your elders and do just what you're told.
I'm really beaten down today. You got that